I'm Alan, and this is Swap Language. There are 2 billion language learners in the world right now, but 1.5 billion of them will give up learning to speak the language. Which makes sense, because you can learn grammar in a classroom, vocabulary in an app, but it is light years away from having a real conversation. And you realize that the second you're speaking with a native speaker. The best way to learn, ladies and gentlemen, is through immersion. So what are you waiting for? Move to Spain right now, take classes, speak in the streets, or practice with friends over a glass of wine. Even though many of us dream about this sometimes, we can't just cancel our lives and run away to another country. So imagine a solution that brings Spain into your living room. With a native Spanish teacher, you'll be learning the language and culture from the best. And when the content is customized to your interests, it will keep you engaged until you succeed. We are Swap Language, a gig economic marketplace, allowing native speakers to teach you offline, face-to-face, in person. So put in the language you're learning and the location you're in, and we use AI to match you with the course that interests you in your area. Are you conquering a new market? Take a course about business culture, created by a native speaker with business experience. We launched our first version of our marketplace in Denmark, and we are releasing the full marketplace in all of our locations in Europe in July. And we take 18% in commission fee per course sold. Now, how do we scale this to the rest of the world? Well, in order to gain critical mass and user base, we created a free language exchange service and scaled it to 10,000 users already. And they've had more than 16,000 offline meetings. And we haven't spent a single euro on marketing. Before coming here, I met with a Romanian guy in Denmark in order to understand the culture a little bit better. And in return, I taught him some Danish. So that's how this service works. We also use viral loops, allowing our users to see how they are breaking down language barriers with Swap Language when they share the platform with friends. Now, what do our customers say to the business model? Well, Joachim, on the right, engineering. The personalized courses are perfect for me. I'm moving to South Africa for an engineering job soon. So he needed the specific terminology within this from that area, so that's why this fit him. The market for language learning in Europe alone is 25 billion euro. Our closest competitor is Tutor based in Singapore. They do offline language exchange. Oh, not exchange, actually paid. But it's not based on any expertise. It's just paid conversation. And apps, well, the founder of Apple, Marcus Beacon, had this to say. If you want to learn a language, you need to speak with a human. And I couldn't agree more. We have 5 language learning programming superstars in this team. Our CTO has coded since he was 14. Me and my co-founder are learning a 5th language through our own service. And we started previously 3 startups. We've invested 40,000 ourselves, had a pre-seed of 110,000 euros, and in 8 months we're looking for 600,000 in order to scale this to the rest of Europe. Now I'm going to give you a little tour on our website. So, Natalie is going on a vacation this summer with 5 of her friends. And she would really like to prepare a little in order to make their vacation 1,000 times better. So she goes to Swap Language and she looks for a course focusing on holiday themes. She sees that there's a course here, Spanish. And when she enters, she can see the topics that the teacher has made. Now, she knows they're going to be going out a little, so nightlife themes would be fun and relevant. But she also knows they'll be tasting a lot of different wine, also different foods. So learning how to order, learning how to behave, all of these things in a new country are also a perfect fit. So she continues the availability of the teacher. She books the time that fits her and the friends. Yep. Okay. And voila. She has now booked the teacher, and it was an experience. I'm going to show you a little video of it right now. Now, Miguel came out to teach them. He taught them the most essential phrases, and of course, also the dance moves that will make their vacation 1,000 times better as an experience. Swap Language brings offline language learning with native speakers to your doorstep. Thank you.
Questions?
Thanks for the presentation. How many times are actually meeting the teacher and the students? Because you said you have 10,000 people on the platform and 16,000 meetings.
It's a good question.
Yeah.
So the business model online is fairly new. I'm going to admit that. But we tested, we market validated this from February to April. But we hired manually 14 native teachers. Not scalable, I know, but that was necessary. 121 people received 314 lessons within this period at an average price of €35 an hour.
What's the advantage to stick with the teacher in the end, or to book it via your platform? Because once I found my teacher, we can meet in the evening, have a glass of wine, and I don't need to pay the commission.
Well, if you want customized learning, then it takes time to prepare. And we are making it very, so the 18% commission fee, we put that 3% on the teacher side and 15% on the buyer side, which makes sense. That's why we can do something called search pricing. So once we need teachers, we can onboard more by lowering the percentage there. And once we need customers, we can lower the percentage on the customer side. Now, there is very little friction for the teacher to take this off platform because this is review driven. And in order to have more customers, if you want to make money through this, is by having good reviews and showing that you're active.
As a student, if I want to save money, then
yes, it is a possibility, especially when it comes to end-to-end interaction platforms where there's an offline meeting. It's difficult, you can't really save yourself completely from it, but by giving less friction for the teacher who can get value from the review and actually showing that he's active to get more customers, that's how we will do this.
Does the platform offer any tools for the teachers, and do they see that
it will come. We will make the onboarding process of teachers when they create courses within their own area. That's something that's coming. It's coming, for sure.
No more questions? Great, thanks a lot.